What the fuck you doing, fam?
I already know what I'm doing. I'm about to get ready to go to Walmart and flood these kids with them gifts for the giveaway and shit.
Hey, spend the extra 5,000. I'm gonna give you. Spend the extra 5,000. I'm gonna send it to you.
Huh?
Spend the extra 5,000. I'm gonna send it to you, nigga. Yeah, nigga.
You had to send the extra 5,000 first.
Nah, it's
you
for
gotta
the kids, bro.
Yeah, I know what you gonna do. Come on, man. I already know what you gonna do. I need to go live and just buy the 5,000 worth of gifts. You hear me? And say this from you. Then my brand from me. I'm trying to get like 10,000 gifts out there. I ain't lying. I'm trying to get about 10,000.
Nah, I'm saying 5. I'm gonna give you 5K, not buy 5,000 amounts. I'm saying just.
I know.
Yeah.
You just gonna give me 5,000?
Yeah, to add on to whatever you already finna buy for them.
Fuck you talking about? Gang shit.
No lying shit.
Gang shit, nigga.
Hey, you need to come where I'm at though. You need to be right here.
Where the hell you at?
The motherfucking dentist.
Man, fuck that, nigga. I don't give a fuck about no team, nigga. Hey, I need to do what you said, dude. Go get the grill.
Man, we'll go get the grill. Keep the gap, cook, get the teeth and everything.
Oh God, get it just like this. You smiling like this.
See, ice it out.
Oh,
yellow dime. You already got yellow dime?
My God, ugly ass, nigga. Get your ugly ass on, garbage ass.
Yeah.
Man, shit. Hey, man, you better not fly about that 5K, because I need that. You know, they gonna want to put me in jail, so, you know.
I do it look like y'all live how bad it moves. I guess it.
Hey, you know, nigga want me in jail, but I probably got all type of shit. Fans watching me right now, you hear me? I gotta be super low.
That's why I be too. I be fresh as hell.
With the Fed. Why, you hear me?
Fresh as hell. With 2 chains on.
What you was for?
You know, I have my little monthly checkup, little 6-month checkup.
Man, it's old. Man, come on.
I can't show you my shit right now.
You don't want to show them folks your shit?
Nah, they gotta see this shit out.
Dang.
They don't want my shit though. They just gotta wait though.
I ain't gonna lie, I fuck them folks up if I get the veneers though. I ain't gonna even lie. I just don't want to get this shit because it really like, I just want to stay original, really. I ain't even lie.
Man, this shit ain't gonna make or break you. You can do whatever the fuck you want.
Nah, I already know that. Come on, man. I already know that. I'm already knowing that.
Don't get it done. Get the grill first, then get the grill.
I say get the grill first. Yeah,
I gotta see you pop that shit with the grill.
Hey, man, we gotta let y'all nigga know, too, that dog dropping Friday, too, you hear me? I already know. It really dropping Friday. I already know. I don't be wanting to say too much on live.
I'm gonna ask them to drop that motherfucker early.
Early?
Yeah, I'm gonna ask.
Yeah.
Them for that shit. ASAP.
Fuck you talking about. I can't say too much on that live because nigga be twisting my words up.
You know, they gonna do that anyway if you don't say nothing. They gonna put words in your mouth.
Oh God. Oh God. For a real hater. On my life. Hey, but one thing I
said, Glock, what can't you do? What you mean, what
Stand
can't
on
I
your
do?
word. Stand on your word, man. This for all the young niggas watching this shit. Stand on your word. Situation, don't be scared. Take her your...
Bro, they got me back here chilling like I'm at the house.
Alright, gang. I'm gonna holler at you later on.
Alright,